The Mid-Sodor Railway, Season 4, Episode 23, Falcons Sneeze. The Mid-Sodor Railway was falling into even harder times, to the point where there's only about 3 jobs in order. The farm job, Duke's train and the mine job. Falcon was sent to do some of the farm jobs today, and well, he had a crash. He had crashed through Farmer Elm's fence. He was rushing to do his job, so he had derailed. He was pulling a truck that was meant to be loaded with hay and 4 cattle trucks. The fence had been broken, but Falcon got uncoupled and slid through the field. Needless to say, he was not happy about this. "Why does it always have to be me who derails?" said Falcon. "Why can't you be number 2? Well, Stanley, he used to be the derailer, now I'm becoming its 2.0. I do not want to end up like Mr. Stanley," said Falcon. "Well," said his driver as he walked up to him after his driver and fireman had exited, "maybe don't be so reckless, and you will have a much easier time riding on the rails." "Ugh," said Falcon. "I don't have time to be careful. I got to get my jobs done," said Falcon. "Then you'll end up like Stanley." "Ugh," said Falcon. Then some dirt has gotten into his funnel, and well... Achoo! said Falcon. That tickles," said Falcon. Later that day, Stuart came to rescue Falcon, and he took him to the sheds. "You alright, Falcon? I heard you sneezing earlier." "Yes, I'm alright," said Falcon. "Achoo!" "You sure?" said Stuart, as they rushed into Arsdale. "You do not sound alright." "I am alright," said Falcon. "Achoo!" "If you say so," said Stuart. That night they repaired Falcon, but didn't clean out his smoke box. So he was kept awake all night by sneezing every couple of seconds. "Achoo!" said Falcon. "I knew my smoke box cleaned out." However, the workmen did clean out his smoke box. However, they did not do it properly, so his sneezing was worse in the morning. "You should get your smoke box cleaned out, Falcon," said Stuart. "I'm ain't true," said Falcon. "You sure?" said Stuart. "Yes, I am sure," said Falcon. "Now, if you excuse me, I got a train to take." "If you say so," said Stuart. So Falcon exited Arsdale sheds and steamed up over to his coaches. "Do be careful though," said Stuart. "I'm always careful," said Falcon. "Hello, Falcon," said Smudger. "Hello," said Falcon. Falcon waited at the platform while everyone got aboard. Then the guard's whistle blew. Well, the guards waited for everyone to get in. However, he blew it a bit too early. So when Falcon thought, as he was new, so Falcon thought it was time to move. Oh, that's the guard's whistle," he said. He had been sneezing with every puff he had when he went over to the station. And so when he began to move, it got worse. With each puff he did while moving, steam went out of his funnel and landed on all the passengers. "Achoo! Achoo! Achoo! Achoo!" said Falcon. He looked behind him and was shocked. The passengers were all dirty from the steam. "I'm so sorry," said Falcon. "We're not being pulled by the sneezing engine," said the passengers. "I'm so sorry," said Falcon. "We'll have to get another engine," said the passengers. Smudger laughed, and Falcon sneezed back to the sheds. Achoo! 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 I'm achoo! I'm fine! Achoo! 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 Said Falcon. Stuart was laughing. He had overheard Falcon at the station. Hello, Falcon, said Stuart. Hello, Stuart, said Falcon. I see the workmen didn't actually clean your smoke box out properly. They mustn't have, said Falcon. Don't worry, said Stuart. Hopefully they can clean it out properly. That's right, said Jordan Edwards. Falcon, don't sneeze on the passengers. If you've got to, hold it in. Sorry, sir, said Falcon. But I can't. I crashed into Farmer Elm's field yesterday, and I have been sneezing since, said Falcon. Oh dear, said Jordan Edwards. Then that must mean the dirt tickled you. Luckily, you weren't, well, shooting anything out your funnel from it, were you? Said Jordan Edwards. No, it must have got stuck in my smoke box and tickled me. Well, that's good. I think the workmen did not clean you out properly, did they? Said Jordan Edwards. No, said Falcon. Then don't worry, Falcon. We'll clean you out properly. Thank you, sir. Do keep in mind that after we do clean you, you will still be having a bit of sneezing, but it won't be as bad as it was before. If you do sneeze once we've cleaned you, don't worry, Falcon. You see, engines have a tendency to sneeze after being cleaned out from their smoke box. They do find it a bit they do have a bit of a tickle going on. Okay, sir, said Falcon. For now, Stuart, you'll have to take the train. Thank you, sir, said Stuart. So Stuart laughed to the train. Jordan Edwards also went beyond the sheds and onto the platform, but Stuart was just laughing. He laughed at the start of the day due to the sneezing, and laughed at the end. He had a great time. Luckily, Falcon's smoke box had been cleared out, and he was back to normal. It was just him having a bit of a tickle going on. Apparently, there was only not much dirt into his smoke box, so none really got blown out. However, it did get stuck into him, with the steam making it seem like it glues it onto him. So that was a bit unfortunate for him. However, they was able to clean his smoke box out, and he went back to work as normal. However, did have a bit of issues when he went back to normal work after his sneezing. But that will be our next story.